Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by verifying your Android version and which keyboard is active because emoji options depend on the keyboard engine. Once done, back up any custom shortcuts so nothing is lost. Now go to Settings, tap System, then Languages and Input, and select On-Screen Keyboard. This is where you control which keyboard runs and can switch layouts. Make sure you're using a keyboard that supports multiple emoji sets or system emojis. If not, you'll pick one or enable system rendering in the next step. You'll now pick the active keyboard and dive into its internal settings because this is where emoji rendering lives. For example, open Gboard settings and look for emoji, stickers, and GIF or advanced settings. Samsung keyboard uses keyboard layout and feedback. Once inside, find emoji style or emoji preferences and toggle between system emoji and the keyboard's native set. Apply the change and test by opening messages. Type an emoji to confirm it displays the new style. Finally, if the keyboard doesn't provide emoji choices, you'll change the system font or emoji rendering at the system level because Android sometimes forces one set. Go to Display or Font Settings and choose a font variant that includes the emoji style you want. Then restart the keyboard or reboot to refresh the emoji cache. If emojis still don't change, clear the keyboard app cache, update Android and the keyboard, or switch to another built-in keyboard. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: clear keyboard cache and reboot once more.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.